Hi guys, it's Ray. Today I have a Butterfly Lane Designs order to open. This is both a subscription box and the other stuff I ordered all in one. So if you order a subscription box and you order stuff at the same time, it won't ship until the subscription boxes ship. But I was fine with that because I had so much other stuff going on that it didn't matter if I got the rest of it quicker. So it's been a minute. I don't remember what I ordered. Yes, there's a zip strip up here. I like to open them this way because I like to keep my boxes, some of them. So I'm thinking this is going to be the subscription box and this is going to be my order. Would be my best guess. This was a very large order. So let's jump into it. I ordered a little bit of vinyl, not a ton. I mean, I guess maybe a bunch. But I ordered this rainbow leopard with the skelly heads. I ordered this beautiful, I believe one is teal and one is turquoise on the site. This one could be a minty color, but whatever. Ordered these two awesome plaids. I ordered this gorgeous purple floral prints. I'm really excited for that one. I guess I ordered some more bees. Like I said, I don't remember. I ordered this like 20 days ago, so surprise! Sorry, I had to pause a minute to see what was going on. The snowplow was actually honking his air horn when he's backing out into traffic, which is unusual, but smart and safer, I suppose. I also ordered the sunflower bee vinyl. In the small print. This is the large print, or I think this one's the large. But just so you can see the difference when you see sizes on her site, if she can tile it to a smaller print, she will offer it in multiple sizes. So this is the same vinyl, just very different sized. So there's that. I ordered this beautiful peachy floral. There's a decal that goes with this one. And I ordered another piece of this. I'd already had one of these, but I liked it. And I used this on that cup for my daughter, so I wanted another piece of that. And the last one is this one, which there's also a decal to go with. That's why I kind of held these to the top, because I can see the decal that goes with this one. It says one day at a time. This has the purple dot. That means it is a VC decal. It can go over a color, white, whatever, and still show up. But she put these on the site that kind of coordinated, so, and I really loved it. And then I believe this one was the match to this. It says protect your peace, also a VC decal. So those are no-brainers, which do go together. And she's been working on adding some men's images. So I did order a bunch of those, even though I do constantly weed. Some of these are similar from vinyl. I thought it would be just much easier. So this one is hunting. We don't really hunt boar here, but I figured I'd make it anyways. This one is a fishing one with the red line. This one is Hunting Life. You see me use this decal a lot. Weeding it is a pain in the butt. So I figured I'd get one of those. And the Fishing Life version. And just a really cute floral mama decal. Good morning, effers. Let the shit show begin. Some of these may be sweary. I am sorry. I should have warned you in the beginning. You might not want to be watching with children. This one says punch today in the face. This one on the leopard simply says nope, not today. Feeling IDGAF-ish today. It's a dry shampoo and coffee kind of day. And some of these may not be the white decals. So I will be looking at the back. So far they all are. This is just one of the mama ones. A different dreamer butterfly one. Be your own kind of beautiful. Some moms cuss too much. It's me. I'm some moms. If my mouth doesn't say it, my face definitely will. This one I thought was just really pretty. It says spread kindness like wildflowers. And this one says sensitive savage. And another floral mama. I love the like retro florally looking ones. And this one says, would you look at that, my last flying F. So those are in fact all VCs, so that is really nice. It means I'm not locked into wait for anything. And the subscription box. I can already tell I'm going to love it. It's got the vintagey floral. It's got springy colors. It does have some gold flakes. Y'all know I don't need any more of those in my life, but because I love them and I have a million of them in many, many colors. So we will definitely incorporate them into a cup using this package. So I'm going to move the decals aside. So this has this beautiful floral. I love it. This cherry blossom one is gorgeous on the like patterned background. This one is also gorgeous. Pretty pink bubbly dots and florals in a similar tone. This is just really pretty. This looks like a scrapbook paper I would pick out. And then stripes in the peachy corally pink range. And then we have a half sheet of that, which this is clear. It's marked on the back with a sticker so you would know. And another piece of that scrapbooky paper type. This is a really pretty like paint swatch type one. Brighter colors in the bubblies. And another pink floral. So that's the vinyls. The gold foiling. And the decals. And these should be VCs also. Live Life in Full Bloom. Spring Vibes. Let Your Light Shine. Which is funny because I was just going to put this on a cup yesterday in just vinyl. Bloom, noun, a beautiful process of becoming. Living That Spring Life. Spring is in the air. Bloom with Grace. I love this one. This will probably go with that retro. And then a truck full of cherry blossoms. So I will have to get through some of these and figure out what goes together, what I can work on, what I can't, what has to be spray painted, what I can bypass spray painting. But I'm kind of thinking this broken up with something a little bit brighter. Maybe not necessarily from this box, maybe just a solid color. I don't know, it's fun to go through and try and put together what's going to work in my head. So that is the entire box from Butterfly Lane Designs. I do have a link below with a coupon code. These items from the box probably aren't on the site yet, but probably I would guess sometime next week when she does a drop after everybody's received their boxes. So maybe by the time you're watching this, because I won't show this until everybody's received their boxes. But you will have an opportunity to buy these individually. She will add them all as single units. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have ordered from her so far, let me know. I'm just curious what you guys are ordering and how you're liking them. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.